Do you know you can make up to 20,000 naira profit every week from dropshipping business? Yes, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to start a profitable dropshipping business in Nigeria. If this interests you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas and different money making tutorials. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, please go ahead and subscribe. Please smash the subscribe button and also hit the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to start a profitable dropshipping business in Nigeria. I have been dropshipping for over 7 years now, and I can say for sure that there is a lot of profit in dropshipping business if you know how to go about it. So today I'll be sharing with you everything you need to know, and I'll also be sharing with you contact of tested and trusted suppliers you can dropship for. So please do not skip any part of this video at all. So without further ado, let's get right into the business of the day. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is simply the art of buying and selling without having to invest capital in stocking goods. Yes, you won't be stocking up goods at all. A dropshipper is an intermediary between the supplier of that product and the end user, which is your customer. Whenever you receive a customer's order and shipment details, you simply transfer the details to either the supplier or wholesaler you dropship for, who then ships the order directly to the customer. Dropshipping allows you as a retailer to sell goods without having to maintain inventory or handle the logistics of shipping products. Dropshipping is a good way of starting an online business without capital. What are the benefits of dropshipping? Dropshipping offers several benefits, which includes number 1, low startup costs. Starting a dropshipping business requires minimal capital, as you do not need to stock up these goods. Neither do you need to pay operational costs such as renting an offline space or a store or paying employee salary. The second benefit is flexibility. Dropshipping allows you to sell a wide range of products without having to stock up goods or having to worry about logistics. It gives you the flexibility to sell different kinds of goods since you have many suppliers or importers you're dropshipping for. The third benefit is scalability. As your business grows, you can easily expand your product offerings without incurring additional costs. Number 4, location independence. With dropshipping, you can run your business from any part of the world. Yes, the major thing you require is an internet-enabled phone with internet connection. So location is not a barrier at all. The fifth benefit is risk reduction. Since you do not require to stock up goods, you're not at risk of losing money over goods unsold. Number 6, it gives you the ability to test new products. You can test new products by dropshipping to see if those products will sell or if they have a huge market base. Number 7, it is easy to get started. Setting up a dropshipping business is relatively easy and can be done quickly with the help of setting an online store such as Instagram or Facebook business page, your WhatsApp status as using the WhatsApp for business, website or GG platform. So what are the limitations of dropshipping? Number 1, limited control over product quality. Since you do not have direct control over manufacturing source, it can be difficult to ensure the quality of those products. So it is very important to dropship for honest suppliers. This is very, very important. Number 2, dependence on suppliers. You're dependent on the supplier's ability to supply these products and their reliability in handing orders and shipping them on time. The third limitation is profit margins. Since these products are not purchased in bulk, the profit margin on products you dropship might be smaller compared to buying them in wholesale and reselling them. So now to the steps in starting a dropshipping business. Number 1, the first step you need to do is research and choose a niche. It is very important to identify a specific product you're passionate about and also a niche that has a profitable market. When selecting niche that you want to focus on, please make sure to select a product with good market base. That means selecting a day-to-day product you know that people will always buy for their daily use. Some of the profitable niches include fashion items, beauty items, kitchen items, phones and laptops, phone accessories, mother and child care, filming tools and props. Also, you need to be knowledgeable about the niche you choose. Remember that you're not seeing these goods, and there are cases where your prospective customer will need to ask some questions about these goods they are purchasing. It won't make sense that they are asking you questions about what you're selling and you can't answer them. Yes, if you need to make research, please go ahead and make research. If you need to watch videos, please go ahead on YouTube, Google to make research about those products. The second step is to find a supplier. Research and find a supplier that offers a wide range of products within the niche you've chosen and also a supplier that has a reasonable price. Please, you need to be careful in selecting a supplier. You don't want to dropship for a dishonest supplier. There was a time I saw a thread on Instagram where somebody was asking dropshippers to share their dropshipping experience, and I was reading horrible experiences from dropshippers about the suppliers they dropship for. It was not palatable at all, because the kind of suppliers you have can make or mar your business, and they can tarnish your image if care is not taken. In all my 7 years of dropshipping, I've been very lucky with suppliers that I dropship for, and somewhere in this video I'll be recommending those suppliers to you, but I'll be telling you where exactly I'll be dropping this contacts. Yes, please make sure you watch this video from beginning to end so as not to miss out on any of the points I'll be giving. After securing a supplier, introduce yourself to them and also ask them for their policies around their business. After asking for their policies, request to be added to their dropship platforms. Some of them use Telegram while some use WhatsApp. Third step is set up your online store. This is a stage where you set up your online store. Your online store can be your Facebook business page, it can be your Instagram business page, it can be your WhatsApp if you're using the WhatsApp business. You can also build a website or use platforms such as Gigi. Get a good graphic designer to design a logo for your business. Set up your business page by uploading your logo and also edit the bio telling us what your brand is all about. Also put up your business terms and conditions. This is very, very important. You'll be drafting your business terms and conditions depending on the policies of your supplier. Some suppliers that do not offer exchange, there are some that do not offer refund. So you need to ask that supplier that, okay, please, what exactly is your policy around exchange, around refund, and also logistics timeline. After doing this, then you start marketing the product you get from your suppliers. Please make sure to add your profit before advertising. The supplier is going to give you wholesale prices. Yeah, so you add your own profit. You can add anything from 2,000 upwards depending on what you're selling. This is a tip. Two of the niches that I know you can add as much as 5,000 profit on is kitchen items, especially when you're selling kitchen items such as blender, food processor, air fryer, deep fryers, and the likes, and also fabrics business. The fourth step is start promoting your business. You need to use various marketing strategies to attract customers to your business. Some of the business strategies you can use to promote your business is Instagram or Facebook ads, using a WhatsApp TV influencer, posting Instagram reels with trending sounds, using hashtag related to your business while posting. You can also promote your business through strategic engagement. Go to celebrities page that align with your niche or big influencers page. Go to their post and engage. Drop meaningful comments on their posts such that when anybody comes across your comments, they'll be tempted to go and check who is this person? Let me check out their page. And in that way, you're driving traffic to your own business page. You can also promote your business through TikTok. Yes, open a TikTok account and start creating content that aligns with your niche. You also need to post your face because most persons now want to see the face behind your brand. People are scared of online scams, so you need to also post your face once in a while. Introduce yourself as the face behind the brand. The fifth step is fulfill orders. Once you receive an order, remove your own profit and send the rest to the supplier plus the customer's details. Please always ensure to get the right details before sending money to your supplier. Always ensure to get the right color of the item, to get their correct size if it's shoe you're dealing with. Get every necessary details you need to get. You also need to continually track the order until it gets to your customer. After delivery, ask for your customer's feedback or review. Then you post these reviews on your page. It gives a sense of, okay, this person has a customer base and she knows what she's doing. Please make sure to blur out personal details before posting those reviews on your page. Then the sixth step is monitor and improve. You need to continuously monitor your business and make adjustments as necessary to improve your customer service, product offerings, and overall performance. Always strategize on ways to improve the quality of the service you render and how to get more sales by engaging in trending marketing strategies. So now to the business of the day. I'll be sharing contact of suppliers you can drop ship for, and please note that these suppliers are people I have worked with personally and I can vouch for them any day and anytime. The first supplier, yes, is your girl here. I have an online store called Funtomat where I sell different fashion accessories and kitchen items. I'll put the link to join my dropship group in my description box. Please check it out or reach out to me on Instagram at Fumike_Afolabomi to be added to my dropship group. The second supplier is Niimide Empire. Niimide is a supplier who is into fashion accessories and kitchen items. If you're interested in going into fashion accessories or kitchen items, please reach out to her. I'll put a number somewhere on the screen. The third supplier is Lace Place Fabrics. She's into anything that has to do with fabrics. If you want to go into dropshipping of fabrics, she's your go-to. She sells different kinds of lace, like all kinds of lace, luxury lace, the normal lace, and different patterns of lace fabrics. I'll put her contact as well on the screen. The fourth person I'll be talking about is Fashion Sports Stores. This is also somebody I have worked with. I have dropshipped for her and I can vouch for her integrity. She's into all kinds of fashion accessories. I'll put her contact as well on the screen. The fifth person I'll be talking about is Magmimi Bags. Magmimi is a supplier that is into everything that has to do with bags. She's a major importer of bags. I'll put her customer service number somewhere on the screen. If you also need the direct link to our Telegram group, please send me a message on Instagram. I'll send you that link directly. I think she also has a WhatsApp platform. Please reach out to me for links to our Telegram or WhatsApp group. All the steps given in this video are practical tips on how to start your dropshipping business. I have been into dropshipping business for over 7 years and counting, and I have trained thousands of people on dropshipping, and this has been working for them. Whenever I talk about dropshipping, I know what I'm talking about. I hope you implement these tips and start something great for yourself. I'll be waiting to celebrate your success story. If you need specific importers details or suppliers details, please reach out to me on Instagram. Please note that this is a paid service. If you need me to get you contacts of suppliers, I can help you get them, but this is at a price. I recently needed contact in a particular niche that I won't be sharing here, and I paid 100,000 naira to get just 2 contact details, and these contact details were contact I already had. Yes, so you know how these things work. There are times I need to also research or go ahead to ask people, and these people might require payment from me before giving me link or contact. So that is why this is a paid service. If you also need a private training, a one-on-one training on how dropshipping works or on how to start dropshipping business, I also offer this as a paid service. I'll put a link to register for a one-on-one section with me in the description box and also in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.